Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y. Jagan Mohan Reddy, who is making all-out efforts for development of state on one hand, is also implementing public welfare schemes as well. Meanwhile, large irrigation projects have been constructed in Andhra Pradesh to make benefit farmers as well as preparing planning for future generations to overcome water disputes. The Andhra Pradesh government is greening up for the speedy completion of all projects in the state where Polavaram works, which is already known as the national project in AP, are being completed expeditiously. The government has already set up SPVs, special purpose vehicles, to raise funds for projects. It is very rare for a state government to set up SPVs for irrigation projects. Jagan Mohan Reddy is the first CM to set up the SPVs to raise funds for irrigation projects in the country, which made history. The government is moving ahead to complete all the pending projects in the state as soon as possible with rupees 96,550 crore in next 5 years. The government also planning to spend rupees 72,458 crore to complete new projects. The government also had set up SPVs to meet the funding shortfall for the completion of projects being undertaken in the state. Under SPV 1, rupees 39,980 crore will be spent on drought relief in Rayalaseema in 5 years. Under SPV 2, rupees 8,787 crore will be spent over 5 years to complete North Coastal Andhra irrigation projects, while rupees 12,702 crore under AP State Water Protection Development Program will be spent on SPV 3. Meanwhile, Polavaram construction work in AP is in full swing, where 71.46% of total project work has been completed, and all the ongoing work is crucial to 2.80 lakh cubic meters of spillway concrete and spillway channel work were carried out during the last 6 months. At the same time, earthworks, masonry and concrete works for the spill channel powerhouse gap 1, 2, 3 are in progress. The spillway concrete bridge is currently under construction despite the floods in Godavari, and the hydropower project works are underway. It is revealed that Jagan Mohan Reddy government is contemplating to complete pending irrigation projects in Andhra Pradesh as a order of priority. In this order, Nellore Barrage, Sangam Barrage, Avaku Tunnel 2, Pula Subbaya Velugonda Head Regulatory Works, Vamsodhara Nagavalli Link, BRR Vamsodhara Project, Stage 2, Second Phase, Polavaram Project work are being carried out without delay. The CM recently directed to store 10 TMC in Chitravati Balancing Reservoir and at least 23 TMC in Gandikota Reservoir this year for sure, and giving R&R packages immediately. The previous government had given compensation of only rupees 6.75 lakh per acre to the farmers, but now the YSRCP government is giving compensation of rupees 10 lakh per acre. The government aims to complete the Nellore Barrage and Sangam Barrage by November this year. With regard to the regulatory works of the head of Palasubbaya Velugonda project in Prakasam district, the first tunnel work on the project has already been completed, and the government is moving ahead with the target of completing the second tunnel work by August next year. About 71% of Polavaram project headworks and canals have already been completed, and works are underway with the aim of completing the Vamsodhara Nagavalli connection by December this year. Officials are moving ahead with the target of completing the second phase of works on Vamsodhara Stage 2 by March next year. The government is ready to complete pending projects in the state as well as resolve water disputes with other states. Meanwhile, CM Jagan is ready to discuss with Odisha the resolution of interstate water dispute over Vamsodhara and Janjavati project. Similarly, rupees 850 crore will be spent on an offshore reservoir on the Mahendra Tanaya River in Srikakulam district. It is learned that rupees 350 crore has already been spent, while Tarakrama Tirthasagara Reservoir project is targeted to be completed by December 2022. YS Jagan government hopes to complete all the projects being carried out in the state, including the pending projects in North Coastal Andhra, within 5 years. To the extent the government is taking bold steps